In today's video, we're going to make some crunchy and sweet chin chin or Atchonmon. I'm going into the bowl now with 4 cups of self-raising flour, and I will be adding the rest of the ingredients. I hope you are well, and thanks again for tuning in. If you're new here, I'm Kai and I share quick, easy and delicious recipes. I'm going in now with a cup of sugar, a tablespoon of nutmeg, a teaspoon of baking powder, and I will mix everything well before adding the wet ingredients. I'm going in now with 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Add 200 milliliters of milk and mix everything well. If you don't want to miss out on my new recipes, don't forget to subscribe and make sure your notification bell is on so you can be notified when I drop another quick, easy and yummy recipe. This is the consistency of the dough. I'm going to use a kitchen towel to cover it up and leave it here for 10 minutes before cutting it. I'm just sprinkling a little bit of flour after cutting it so everything can be well separated. Heat up the oil and then we'll start frying. I'm using rapeseed oil to fry it. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. And to heat it up, I added some chunk of onions. I heated it up for 8 to 10 minutes roughly. And now once the oil is at the right temperature, you can start frying. This is what it looks like. 5 minutes frying. I'm just going to leave it here for a few more minutes and then make sure you just move it around. I like this color, but if you want it a little bit darker, you can still leave it there for another 2 to 3 minutes, but this is just perfect for me. Kindly like the video if you're enjoying it. Time to go in with the second batches and just repeat the same thing. You can see the second batches looks a little bit darker than the first one, so that is what I was explaining earlier. If you want it darker, just leave it on for a few more minutes. You should keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. And there you have it. Our chin chin is ready. You can say it's very, very inviting, super crunchy, and still soft on the inside. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Au revoir. Bye for now.